Wow, first game troll already.
I thought the question was directed to Shafiq.
I'm not talking about his chicken. Yeah. You never pay attention, Amigon.
I'm tired lah. I think Shafiq, cause Shafiq said in Malaysia.
Fuck lah,
I say
disconnect
Indonesia,
lah.
you don't pay attention.
Oh hey, what the fuck?
He's out of it, yeah.
Yeah, that's why I say only play one game, quite tired already.
Okay, so you're something tomorrow lah, that's why you're tired lah.
Come on, you're not
beef
tired
burger,
to watch
the beef one.
an Arsenal. Not our Arsenal game.
The signature burger, they are the beef burger.
They are the beef burger.
No, the beef burger they have.
Oh shit, I need to reset, yeah. I don't know why my ping so bad.
It suck eh.
Oh no.
Let's go.
Europe is LA's only defense against the power we now possess. And our victory is assured.
Oh, Akbar. Nah, futsal on Thursdays, yeah, fucking fast.
Oh yeah, Danish.
What? Just what?
Danish.
Oh, he went to restart his thing.
Why my game order so loud?
Go. Check your skill or not? One heaven city.
Hey, bet.
I got played.
Heaven, no, heaven kill me, I got flash. Taking the ball.
Take the ball.
Coming. I watch him behind.
Last way.
Oh, one already.
B-min ah?
No, I meant B-man. Hey, yeah, last B-man.
No, just checkers. Let me get him.
Sorry.
If it's not
Go, got him.
Danish.
Yeah?
I ate the Moza burger.
Oh, that one is fucking nice.
Yeah.
The Moza burger is damn nice.
Their
But-
lettuce damn nice, yeah. Very crunchy, very.
Damn nice. You win.
What's wrong with you?
A lot of it, yeah, bro.
Why would you rate the lettuce? Or like of all the parts of a burger?
Okay, the beef is nice also, but the lettuce like.
The lettuce was better than the
Yeah, the lettuce is honestly fucking nice.
Vegan
Like, you
burger.
don't get that
Moza
anywhere.
burger got what? What's the Moza about it?
cheese.
Got
Oh, there's
bacon.
the extra cheese patty.
Got bacon.
Yeah. No, there's the bacon.
No, our boy, no, he got AK. Oh my god, he bought an AK.
Yeah, you're busy discussing about A&W burgers.
Chuck. Eh, Folly.
Folly.
So Chuck, planting. Watch him in.
One more. Wow, holy shit.
Last shot.
Chuck one.
Wait, how the guy at the highway never die?
I don't know.
Wait, y'all did everything but plant the bomb. The bomb was on site already.
Who holding the bomb?
No,
And the bomb holder died.
I planted.
Yeah, he planted.
Yeah, that's why I got 4
right.
points, that's why.
Yeah. I technically got the kill with the bot, but then he died.
Yeah, cause no communication.
Then you leave the game for what? You tell me?
I say already, I have to reset my internet. And it's still quite bad.
Then no one take the bomb also again.
Yeah, who threw the bomb this time?
White box.
Yeah, I see, that's why I get fucking the bomb. Oh shit!
Wow, say any white box, never help.
Hey, 3A, go
No,
B,
2A, not 3A.
You come.
No, it's 2A, not 3A. It's
Okay,
2A and 1G. This thing is 1G.
Oh, he's in the corner. Of course he is.
Friendly.
Checkers, no checkers.
It's on the right.
I'm not feeling it.
Yeah,
Danish
Wait, why are you singing that song? It's like a dead TikTok trend already.
Hey, Captain America said talking to me, so...
What?
He got the shopping disease.
Huh?
Cannot pause Netflix.
Incredibly attractive.
I paused already.
Oh.
No, I haven't finished Cobra Kai.
Yeah.
What you mean, Cobra Kai?
Shut the fuck up. The best show ever.
Wait.
Boost,
Window.
You have to play for leave.
Window I would say window. Hey, one Z also.
I got him.
Nice.
Go,
Now
Shafiq,
we
go.
So you ping instead of shooting him.
Danish
Yeah. Hey, Z.
Wait. Oh, I'm blind.
They threw another patch.
Yeah.
I was in truck. Wait, oh, you're out already. I'm going
You almost killed me.
Oh, I got
Oh,
slapped.
he's there.
Side.
Okay, last guy in B, half
Fine.
HP, last guy from B, half HP.
I was saying.
He good, yeah, this guy good.
How
Wait,
many
legit.
5 damage?
I think half HP.
He's not a city. He's not a city.
I think half HP. Maybe sleeping checkers.
He's a city. He's a city.
Tap.
Tapping.
Ta da ta ta da ta 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 ta. La la.
Yes, as you can see, troops celebrating after like a So then Ty and Claude just like sit down and they stare at the camera.
Let some dog.
Thank you. We need to have the hype when we score.
Yes.
Huh?
So.
What futsal?
Oh, futsal. Hell no.
Until the camera on top again here.
They are all blind guys.
Like who's fashion?
Yeah lah, because someone told you the
One
first.
side, headshot.
Smoky city. Smoky city. I'm
Heaven.
Heaven.
One events. Oh no, he whooped my ass.
Heaven. The
There's
heaven
two,
guy
one
drop.
more.
The heaven guy drop.
Wow, they damn fast. Yeah, whenever we're on side, they come mid already.
Wait, who flashed that?
That wasn't me. I didn't throw any flash. I threw a smoke only.
It's easy to see who flashed on our team.
Yeah, let's check.
Let's check.
Isai Batu and Ortsim R.
Mine was
Wait, I only
after that.
saw ASAP Batu.
Oh,
Mine was not the first flash.
I flash CT.
Yeah.
yeah, that's a
Hey,
horrible
who
place.
flashed B main?
Not me.
Yeah, who
Damn,
someone flashed Jimin.
Enemy lah.
No such thing as
It was
enemy.
definitely not enemy. One enemy player flash her doing so deep.
Yeah, sure. Because you never learn the sport.
I got no money. I got 4 kills with Mac 10.
Because you drop
Why
what people.
you know money. So what is the game plan here? Oh,
Wow, they so try hard, yeah.
can I run? Are we going B?
Go B ah. Go B. Wow, they counter boost vents so gay. Such try hard.
And they can towards and they still break.
One more B.
I mean, don't walk in front of me. Okay, then you go first.
Wow, Vance. That's 65.
One toxic.
I played 34, 1 HP. 1 HP.
Wow,
Toxic.
toxic, ah.
65.
Thanks, Amir.
Oh, it lasted 65 B, but the bombs
No,
heavy.
65 plus 34 is 1 HP.
Oh my god, he's 1 HP.
Really?
Where? Which guy? I don't see
He was
him.
at checkers,
The guy,
but he may move lah.
Wait for me.
he legit 1 HP. Playing 34. Something things.
And then he used CT.
Just shoot through the metal. I don't know.
Legit 1 HP. Legit 1 HP.
Legit 1 HP yeah.
Like,
But I don't know where he is. He can move. He got leg.
Wait, where's the box?
it's in
There's smoke.
Nice!
Nice! So it's predictable. Oh, he wasn't exactly in the smoke.
He was behind the smoke.
Yeah, I was behind the smoke. So,
Same thing.
okay.
Easy wall hacks.
Da 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 da. Hippie name boy. What the fuck are you saying?
Because we high. I don't know how you're typing.
Yeah, I think the guy is the opposite.
Dennis, you got bomb, Dennis, the bomb's in the open, you. Oh my god.
Yeah, because he
No.
then,
You got
It's not, is it?
absolute monkey.
why?
They push vents again.
There's 2 highway and vents also have. And I didn't have. Like 1 low.
Go, I mean, swing, give
Hey
me.
guys, wow, they push fucking fast. Damn gay.
Yeah, they push
I
fucking
mean, you
fast,
go
yeah.
mid, right? You go
All of
mid.
them there in front of you, to your left.
Because they see the first guy die with the
Okay,
bomb.
okay.
Oh, I didn't see.
Shafiq, any comment?
Nothing to say.
No, I don't have something. Let it out.
No.
It's not good to
See, I
keep things
didn't
to
see
yourself.
what. Why you want to know? I didn't see what.
I mean, it's not you.
Shafiq, it's not good to keep things to yourself, you know.
It's not you, I understand.
No, I mean, you just need to drop me the bomb.
Then
Just
don't
drop me the bomb.
No, stop dropping the bomb to that dumb skull.
Never mind, Steve Rodgers is here, don't worry.
Oh my god.
Shafiq, Ashri, why would you watch the skinny Captain America?
You know why you like, I don't know where Sunday, I don't know what the first Captain America.
That's a good one.
But Ashri, that's Cap.
Decent. That is Captain.
Yeah, that's why.
Hey, they're pushing vents.
Hey, the guy hacking! Yeah.
10k, Z. Rush. Oh, Z! Oh!
66. Take 66. The second
Ashri,
one.
was he using my AK?
Where got me? Where the
I
guy?
have no clue. I don't know. I never checked.
Confirm belakang you also.
Why did that guy take 66?
He saw you.
Oh, the gun of dreams.
Ooh.
Oh,
Wow.
they put in up a fight eh. I think we just need a bomb rush
Dude,
eh.
why Steve Rodgers?
I was thinking Captain America.
Rush eh, yeah, rush eh.
While playing. He pick window ah.
He likes to change.
Oh,
Sometimes
he
he
wants to
say
do the
highway,
boost
sometimes he
already.
Oh, the truck boost. Okay, when I boost you, you get a killer.
He like to change though. Like,
Nah, now he will pick
Oh,
window.
Steve Rodgers.
no.
Hey, you know when Steve Rodgers died, he probably said the N-word because in that era they like to say that.
Yeah, there were slaves in his era also.
Suddenly, if you woke up, then he saw
Oh,
what's the guy with the, what's the guy with the eye patch? Danish?
I'll just take it, I don't want it.
Oh, that's crazy. Huh? Wait, what was he watching then?
They're hacking.
Then she got the bomb.
Danish, imagine he see Nick Fury, then like, hey, that's a.
Yes, I saw the meme already.
That's the first person he saw. Eh?
Bruh, I'm getting
Yeah, so he-
Hey,
he saw
they came behind him.
No, and then, no, his first reaction is like, wow, society so fair and inclusive now.
Come on, man. It's at 29, I
Like,
think.
what's up, Nick
Ah, there's
Fury?
two.
What the heck?
Wow, I cannot.
Two flanking, two flanking.
What the? I.
Wait. Last one? Oh, I was the last one. Wait, what the fuck?
It's okay, we are city merchants, remember that.
No, we are team merchants. We lose this, we lose the game.
It's because Amir playing away.
No, that's Liverpool's away form. Hi.
He's not at home, what?
Do you see Dane Buster's story? Could you see yourself being in a relationship right now? A healthy one, ... with school and money, please. Okay, take no voice.
Wait, healthy relationship does not depend on money, right? What?
It does,
No,
man.
it
Why?
doesn't.
They know the boost, yeah, what the fuck?
He watching you.
Exactly, bodoh.
Yeah.
Is it when you like boost?
How you know they from
immediately,
Malaysia?
then you-
Their profile lah. The yellow guy is Ping Chen. Ping Chen is Penang.
Whoa.
Penang Curry Mom.
Oh, dear.
Brother, there's
I don't know what to do now.
There's peaceful like I swing back inside and
Hey, checkers.
not into like.
Go.
He stack a lot, he stack a lot.
Go.
So low, hold.
I'm dead.
Hey.
Or more in the pit.
One side, we win.
Go.
Pit outside.
You want Danny, Danny.
When ready.
No, there's a guy at Forklift, but he's so patient.
He got.
He left already
The guy
lah.
is so patient. No.
One
What?
shot, okay.
He left
One
already.
shot, one shot,
Legit.
No, I'm not even going
One
to
shot, one shot, one
He chow already.
one shot.
He chow already, Danish.
Yeah.
My goodness.
Gaza.
How he know? I think he walling eh. How he know?
No, his Forklift friend saw me.
I think he heard footsteps from there. But this guy, he know him. I'm boosting.
He's Keanu Reeves.
No, that's Johnny
I'm
Silver.
the one
His
that
profile a lot of wall hacks comments ah.
Oh, then it's over lah.
I mean, Shafi's profile also good.
No.
Ah,
What the hell I buy
The
now?
movie funny ah.
yeah, like
Hey, Mingwan, say that they screw up the HSR. Oh, what's
What's that?
HSR?
Oh yeah.
You all actually
Let's
doing
go,
it.
Abi.
Yeah, then
Wow.
ready, let's go. Actually, don't need to read newspaper, just read Reddit.
Oh, I took a lot.
Yeah.
But then you see a lot of like opinionated
Side clear,
comments.
side clear.
Oh, he's hacking. He's definitely hacking. He's hacking. He's definitely hacking. Hey, what the fuck? Just hide in the smoke, Ami.
Hey, he
Ami,
shot
just
you the
test.
smoke.
Ami, just test. Hide in the smoke. See whether he shoot you or not.
no, wait.
Venge.
He's hacking. See?
Hey, no.
Last solo. He's hacking.
I was just like waiting for him in the smoke.
Okay.
Ami, he shot you in the smoke.
You know his walling don't do that lah. And we should stop dying to his other teammates for actual shit.
Yeah, lor.
Fit your bomb to
And
frag.
stop dying by rushing the bomb down.
Wait, is he actually second place? You see, no one said anything. So you're
I
lost.
am.
You only have 5 kills. Yeah.
Yeah, but what's my... Okay, my...
Stop by ADR.
Second ADR.
See lah, Mingwan, you start this
I like the
ADR crash.
silence.
No, but then it's only like first half, so like...
Oh yeah,
Yeah
okay,
lah.
whatever.
But it's okay lah, I didn't play 2 rounds.
Let's go meet.
Doesn't matter, they know where we are. I go Suki.
Oh, he's hacking, right?
Let's kill this shit.
Wait, but you're
Flames
our
eh,
team.
flames eh.
Yeah, how he know?
Oh, yes,
Even
sorry.
if they know that the bomb is at A.
No.
Just watching behind.
Yeah, boosting.
No.
Hey, what's scoping in the quad?
Nah, you're alone.
Hey,
Swing ah,
they rotating.
Shall we swing ah?
I heard first. Oh wait, that's blue.
Hey, that means the Opper is here. No, I'm not gonna challenge. I'm not gonna challenge the Opper.
Yep.
He's hacking,
He's
sir.
there. The A.
Hey, the 10k always plays at mid. Why you telling me that now?
Thank you, the A. Faster Hobby. Thank you,
Hey, I got shot through the wall.
Ui, he's hacking.
I was
Hey, I mean,
I don't give a fuck really. Walao, they hack so much. Hey, 3 on side.
Wow.
The bomb is at west, yeah.
The bomb is at highway. Cause he's
Hey, winnable.
I slapped him, the guy. Wait, no
Thank you.
peek.
Ami, don't peek.
I'm not. Why are you still here?
Wait, let me jump peek first.
He's gonna wall you, Mingan. Ami, he's gonna shoot you the wall.
I flash Z now. Go.
Okay, go, Z.
10k is on A side.
I mean, he's close. On side.
Just
Flashing out, get the bomb.
wait, behind.
Garage.
Last guy hacking.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. He knows
He
who
was just waiting there.
Yes,
He didn't even
yeah.
need to move.
You know what or not?
Danish, you might be onto something.
What?
yes.
That says so brazenly push the highway.
Because I so saw already, I was shot through the wall. They didn't even see me. There wasn't even any smoke to show that I might have been there.
Okay, fine.
But
Also, you protested against your hacks,
If you
Yeah,
went, you
that
have
was my
won.
potential taking wall hacks. What?
If you went,
You
you would have
protested?
won the round.
Okay.
I don't know.
Yeah, Danish, come on now.
Now you're
But he was
I
trying to protest
behind
you
the
there.
wall.
Checkers. 3. That first one?
Ah, I'm
blind.
blind.
Wait, you just killed.
Oh my god, you killed. Oh.
Wow, that guy's hacking.
I was blind. Then Ami one in front of me. Sorry.
Wait, then why you shoot and blind?
I was shot in front of me.
Danish, you want something here, Danish? Oh, he's hacking!
Because I got shot from someone, then I got shot from one of them.
No, I don't blame you, real. Chill, I don't blame you. Both of us are blind.
I got shot from someone. Then I was like, oh fuck, in front of me.
He unleashed a full clip on himself.
Wow, yeah, it really held nothing back.
What the?
Danish, you might be onto something here, Danish.
Danish, you go take the bomb again.
Not true.
Thank you.
Danish, you're damn funny, sir.
Let's just
Brother
counter.
did not hold back.
Counter
Don't
rush.
go me.
Then don't go in.
Then there is B.
I mean, never mind, I follow you. I rush with you.
Nanti nak.
You want me go dry also? I go dry.
Oh, that's hacker. Never mind! Oh, stop dying! Oh my god! Wait! Azri! Last guy Z, I'm 1Z.
The last guy, your last song.
Azri, you killed the hacker eh.
Don't even aim.
I got 7 kills. What do you have? I got double area. Wait.
Double area my lunch chow.
I have double your ADR.
I have
Hey,
double
Azri
your
killed that.
extra percentage.
Yeah, flying.
Danish, Azri killed the hacker eh, but Henderson.
What Henderson? What's wrong with you? Just
I
shut
know,
up.
I said and you all cannot finish the
Dean
job.
Henderson now, your rent free, your thing what? Everything Liverpool.
Hey, they got 21.
Bro, Henderson is a nobody. Why the fuck would he mention him?
Oh, BPP, a lot of speed.
Shut up.
Hey, stop shooting your teammate!
Sorry. I was blinded.
Jungle flop, boo!
Die, Rizzo.
Oh shit!
I was
He was blind, right? Danish, you were blind, right?
Me now.
Hey, this guy really hacking eh, bodoh. He goes to every side you on. See that? Look.
I can't move, dude.
Wait, I'm here.
Where's your teammate?
I don't know whether you're like just like purposely like.
No, Baston's on my side. He knows I was blinded.
Yeah, wait.
I don't know whether Baston actually thinks he's hacking or like he's just purposely saying it.
I mean, from my view, he's getting like kills.
87.
Wow, what's
we won.
that?
Let's go.
Fucking easy. Only me and Azri can do this, yeah.
What do you mean? You have to save media.
I mean, what? Me.
Wow, Danish, if you weren't flash, we have won the round, Danish.
Alright, no, Azri.
Azri got
I
the
mean,
first kill. I got the
we still
second
win
kill.
around.
Azri.
Give me some credit, Shafiq.
I give you some credit.
I can't hear over all the.
What did
Okay,
you
one at a time, Danish, talk first. What did you do wrong?
Baston, shut up.
Fucking shitster. Go play Scuba lah.
Go watch Captain Rodgers lah, Baston.
I would love to, man.
I said
Hey, but
Baston.
I thought Danish asked you why you suddenly have this obsession with this movie.
B.
Yeah, sure.
Oh no, I'm gonna die.
Nice one!
Already.
Wow!
Hey, Psycho!
Nice shot!
Hacker.
Oh, sound.
Hey, the hacker still like the hacker.
Danish, come on, Danish. Nice, hacker, last guy, hacker. Don't throw it. It's 1v4. Oi! Rewind, oh my god.
What you mean? Why you scared? Why you panic?
Why your stress?
Yeah, why you stressed? It's me.
Yeah, I just want to say that
3 kills,
the
pistol
guy
round.
ran
It's
all the way to
simple.
headshot and I didn't know at all.
Yeah lah, good job, Mingon.
He would city or smoke. 3
Was it,
kills,
Amin?
pistol round is standard for me. Like don't need panic one. The only time I don't get 3 kills is when you get
Yeah,
what like
no.
4 kills already.
Yeah.
Hey, that actually makes sense.
Hey, I go here.
Oh wait, we won the round. Shit.
Yeah, see that never gun.
Shut the fuck up.
But you did what?
Is
Yeah, I think they're from Singapore. They're big.
Demolition.
Wow.
Wait, they bought an AK. It's as if they know something.
Yeah, give B minute.
Wait, how do you know?
Wow, the B people trolling. Oh my
Just
god.
Blasted away.
Bro,
You
Yeah,
guys
like
really
that.
hacking, sir. They look, you see?
they full bought and then went hand.
Wait, how can they full buy when they lose pistol round?
They plant the bomb. Means it's only armor
They
and
didn't
armor.
plan.
No, they didn't plan. Eh?
Yeah, that's how they
AK no
Oh,
armor.
me?
Ah.
take no armor. Seriously.
Fucking
Wow,
spell.
Who died to the AK no armor guy?
I had an MP9.
What?
Why no gap lah, guys? It's simple, you can
Actually, I think if I bought Nagaf, I won.
I guess.
Oh, just
Danish, I still blinded.
Not really. The guy good set.
Blinded by Fury.
Nick
By
Fury.
Nick Fury. Go.
What did Captain America call Nick Fury when he first saw him?
Hey, hello.
Sit down.
Aim.
He flashing, go!
Ishida.
Nice, Shafi, nice!
Hey, let him
Buy the
miss!
gap cannot ace. What the fuck, boo?
Army all yours!
Boo, in the smoke.
Hey, don't 1v4!
Boo, buy the gap cannot ace. Boo.
That was a sick hole by you.
Shafi, your ADR is really the highest in the team, eh?
He's not lah.
I don't think
Oh, okay, never mind.
Nah, Shafi, I was expecting more from your Negev, like no cap.
Danish.
Oh, fire me to kill them and kill you also.
What?
Get an ace lah. You get 4 already, cannot get the last guy then what the fuck?
My god.
DG Arjuna bike it.
I get 4 already, might as well get the last guy, right?
Okay, it's okay.
Like, what's the point?
Sorry, you're above.
Danish, so attacking teammate, you still blind
I mean, stop, it's him that attacked me.
I said Danish stop attacking teammate.
Hey, Shafi, what are you saying? He's corroborating your sentence.
Shut up.
Oi!
I went B.
Lobby, I need help.
Arjun all yours.
It's like, it's so easy, right?
What's
I
not
don't
using
get.
Negev?
One shot, one side.
Hey,
Oh, they're on side.
Yes.
On side. I smoked off.
Hey, all yours! Nice!
Flashing one.
Hey, one check.
Last checkers.
Let's go, Shafi!
Shafi, one more.
AG, how many times AG on headshot?
Wow, this game so easy, sir.
Wow, Shafi, ADR has become top, eh? No, it's not.
Shafi, you're easy.
Yes, just
Traffic,
get
you wanna?
Rodgers.
I mean, you wanna
Stop me
M3?
off.
Yeah, I want the
You
yes.
can drop me M4.
Yo, Danish, can you draw me?
Can I? Yes, I can.
Can I also can?
Okay, you can throw me the
I
M4.
save her.
Hey, who got the nice M4? Drop me.
Thank you.
Someone took the nice M4.
Ah.
Wow,
Well.
who's the motherfucking thief?
It's like,
Wait,
Stop
that's the one
shooting
that. That's the
teammate!
one Ami bought for me.
Yeah.
Oh, I shot a random person only.
Wow, you're a girl flop,
Hey,
motherfucker.
you see?
Danish, you the cause that.
Goose, he's down again.
Ready.
Danish, you were flash though.
Knock your gun out.
You see?
Wait, so who's trolling? Oh my god.
I wanted to drop, I don't want to drop me, so I had to.
No,
Someone took
actually,
the
I
nice.
was gonna drop you. I don't know
Someone
why you
took the
thought I
nice
wasn't
info.
gonna drop you.
They're, but majority of them are in
Yeah, wait,
so
wait.
when you turn to your right, you might die.
I mean, tires go. Tires go.
Slow, nice!
There's one guy that's low.
Last guy,
Last one.
There's two.
Oh, I thought.
nice last game, legit last.
I'm low, man.
I solo.
I'm flashing. Okay.
Wait, why you look down?
I also low.
Shafi, you scare him,
Where's the
sir.
ball?
He's on side, he's on side.
On side.
He may come
It
from
is-
highway.
Then remember the car song?
Oh
Life
wait,
is
volley.
I mean, volley. It's yours.
Nice, let's go. Let's go. I mean, what a round. 2v5.
What a play, what a play.
I don't know how teammates doing.
Yeah lah, I don't know.
Wow, someone really talking is it?
Adi, effort for you.
Shafiq.
Lucky I watched Amir's playing, so I got a 2 from
The
CT.
city dude. I don't know why I didn't process the city side. I see, but
Wait, who saw me fuck the 2 players from CT up?
there's a direct smoke.
That was the
I'm
wrong.
spectating someone else.
Oh, high boost.
Wait, who shot the vents?
There's we just like
What?
crisscross shoot. We
So
don't.
basically, we
cross.
just stay in our position and
Yeah. Hey, they flash at me.
so your statement was not necessary lah.
I mean,
Me.
Blue door.
Oh, I'm blind. Shafi, help me, I'm dead. Wait,
Already, Danish.
I got one. You
Bomb drop. Oi!
Okay, you guys on side.
You died already?
I cannot see you, fucking
The
idiot.
guy boosted you.
You're supposed to save me.
On one side already.
Hey, you're blinded also
Yeah, then they all ran out below me.
Pushing one.
Oh,
Why
then they shot you first
Yeah.
Hey, I think you can do a cheeky defuse eh. Wait, bomb's not planted.
Hey, one guy attack 98, one guy attack 98.
Cheeky
If that
defuse,
information matters.
cheeky defuse.
So caught clear already.
One guy attack 98. The
I think half HP is this counter. Wow, one guy flanking.
I think that
One guy flanking.
you know like they threw like 3 flashes, right? I thought they cannot aim their flash. Then the 4th flash just fucking fucked us up, yeah.
Sent us into disarray.
Yeah.
Complacency.
Oh, first 3 flashes they don't know how to aim.
Yeah, serious.
Yeah, I dropped already. Don't say Limpe, don't drop.
They like to flank, They like to
I
flank.
think I'll
So,
go
like,
boxes.
just care.
This one I'll just try go boxes. That's a fucking bad
Nice,
smoke,
Rodgers.
Danish. A bad smoke, Danish.
No, it's okay.
Hey, B, refresh B.
I got you.
One checker.
There's no such thing as bad, I think.
For me,
2B.
coming.
Check this.
Yeah, checkers. I'm only off, I
Oh
cannot help.
my god. That was sick.
I think B main has.
Side.
Yeah, damn good eh.
One side.
Oh, one right, under heaven and onside.
It's yours to win.
Quick.
That's one.
Oh, yeah.
This guy has 32
Yeah,
kills.
they all.
The guy is crazy, bro. Serious.
They
No,
used
the
to
guy just
carry
run
the
out of
bottom
garage. He ran out of garage, saw me, shot me, then he faster run back. And I was walking at mid.
They hacking top
What do I buy now? What do I buy? 250 lor. Let's be rush here lor.
You all need to find the
open a
bottom
pack in
frags and
FIFA
kill them
Mobile
first.
Sorry?
You open a pack in FIFA Mobile. Fuck this game.
Yeah, I don't have money. I
I
saying up.
thought I got a 92 bench you right?
Hey, I take one. I think one.
Wait, you mean
Nice,
the
nice,
best
low.
one?
Nice. Bomb drop.
Highway.
No, we got the bomb. Ajri, hey, you should have take this gun.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, 140.
Nice.
Yes, am I
Last
right?
guy.
Last guy, truck. No, last person, 1 HP. Go, pick, I'm a pick, 1 HP. Truck, 1 HP, was truck.
Let's go. Hey, where is he?
Side, where you? 1 HP. 1 HP, this guy. Fucking disgusting.
Yeah, I thought you told me this, right? So I thought you.
I told you, Danish. You know I won't tell you.
Why you run like that? Where you going?
No, because.
Danish
you
can't get a
said truck. I was running to truck.
He can move.
Oh, shit, I thought you're not there.
Oh.
You think balloon tower defense
Okay. Now I know the nature of information.
Nice. I smoking him in. Yeah.
I empty my bank account.
There's another bad smoke. One him in.
Shit.
One him in.
One.
Scream.
What accent is that, Danish?
Suffix accent. No lah, they know I'm here already lah. I just kill myself lah.
You sound like Aldridge when you say that.
I'm
Boost.
talking of like a nasal block so my voice.
They have a flashback that is.
I only got a nasal spray.
Yeah, scouting.
Hey, I think
Hopping ah.
No.
Might be outside, I mean.
Yes, yeah, I see so much activity there. You see, look at the question marks popping up.
Someone got.
Amin.
No, you sure? Will there be?
They spoke already, they wanna come out
Oh,
soon.
wait, I see a hand through the.
Go. Ajay, go. Let it.
Me outside.
Okay, wait, they're not pushing out.
I see.
They're not pushing out. Ajay, watch me.
They're coming out.
I watch him,
Where are they?
Okay, they threw, then they left. Bruno!
Dude out.
I will team it. I will take.
Okay, never mind, you got it.
Nice. I mid it. Let's go.
Bomb.
Steady. I know me you have.
Let's go.
I have for you guys.
Oh, damn.
Outside.
Together. Please go together.
Side.
Shafi.
Go.
Shafi, wait.
Side. Behind.
He's damn low. Yeah, he's low.
Ready to check.
Let's go!
That is
Yeah,
very
he's
damn
rolling.
good.
Nice rolling.
Then AUG on side.
Let's drop it.
Nice, let go.
I mean, nice hold at B.
Good job.
Yeah, I tell you, I don't know
Amir,
what
you
they.
say you won't lie to me. Where's the A side?
Yeah, I was helping me.
Huh.
Cause
They
there
scared
was
me.
one guy went on me.
I got fucking scared.
Thank you. Thank you, Danish.
Can
Man, I scared you. The guy ran straight to you,
Fuck it
sia.
lah.
I mean, can give me M4,
Hey, what happened?
M4. Thank you. Aji no gun, that needs drop Aji.
No, tell me.
Anyone don't shoot
Wow,
that
actually,
guy
you
outside
scare me,
me,
sia.
I can't see shit.
I go for lift, I go for lift.
Okay.
Oh, B.
I'm
I'm already.
Okay, coming.
Already. Headshot.
Coming for city.
There's almost
What
side.
the? Oh my god.
City ready!
Yes, Shafi. I said there was 2 headshot.
Danish, it's all you, Danish.
Okay.
Wait, there's anyone still alive also.
Take 3 of them.
But he's gonna be gone in 3 seconds.
Do not discount my teammate.
On side, got one there, no.
Flash in, go through, yes. Nice.
Nice.
Hey! What the
Wait,
fuck?
wait,
Full line. Headshot. Wait, the guy full blind kill me, sia.
He can see me through the top, but I cannot see him. Nice.
The guy full blind kill me. What the fuck?
What's full line kill you?
Full blind.
Full line.
Oh my god, I have no fucking money.
I have no money. God.
Rush out.
Make an OnlyFans, I don't know.
If only it were that easy.
Mid lah.
So wait, rush with me.
Need ah.
I'm going in first. Hey, he's right beside me. He's already. Got him. There's an off here if you know once. Okay, never mind, got it.
They flash B once.
BBB one.
Hey, outside A, man. They pushing me.
That's the gun. Oh, wait.
Ali, take the off, turn behind.
Where is it?
Turn around.
Wait, you said
I don't see it.
Where is it? A or B?
Hey, go by. Together.
He's here. Oh my god, fuck.
Buto one
Oh, right
TBS
outside,
ah.
Hey, he's still staying at TBS, yeah. They're really hacking, eh.
Means
What
one
kind
A
of fucking strat is that?
Yeah, 1A, one side A, man.
Mana Rish?
Oh, you can
Nice.
defuse.
I think last-
Oh, that's our team.
Cover. I don't kill. Cover.
Nice.
I burning. Bro, fire.
It's not burning.
Fucking slime.
Can see that fire.
Wait.
What a rush.
You didn't know he was not trolling.
What a play by Shafiq, if I do say so myself.
Why? Just use the op lah, don't scare me to take the op.
You lah, cannot. Right, I did
But you
like.
got 3 kills.
The guy, right?
Okay, let's go then.
Wait, Shafi, you got 3 op kills the previous round.
I got 1 pistol kill and 2 of those.
I mean, one help RJ, I mean.
Don't need
I watch
You
me
are
first.
spicy, eh.
I mean, why don't know anymore?
We are playing serious, I mean.
They flash B.
Hey, what a shit smoke again, you man.
Sorry. Hey, sorry.
I mean, playing serious,
Yeah,
don't
sorry.
anyhow.
Let's start.
You're off the team.
Hey, one checker city, I think.
They smoke B, yeah.
Okay, I'll do this.
No, wait.
Okay.
They like to play something strats, cause they know where we are. Just like how
Oh!
they
Bomb mid. Oh, 1 mid.
one.
It's
It's
Minecraft quality. I
Lobby.
can't see it.
No, that
Yeah,
is.
I'll go.
Yeah, here beam, man. They smoke city.
Smoke city.
3.
Coming.
Flashing.
Adri, it's your choice to rotate. Come on.
Nice, Adri.
I'm going heaven.
Nice, wait.
Out already, low.
I'm so fire.
I suggest change angle.
Side.
Already. One more low, side.
Side.
K garage.
Oh my god, damn.
Nice.
Is it A? No.
He's
Oh,
out.
yeah.
Someone
Where's
Oh,
it? Oh, okay.
Leave it if I cover.
Wait, what's
Hey, hello.
Nice.
Hey, just
Wait,
win.
on to him, sir.
Just win 3 more rounds. You'll win the match already. 3 rounds
Hey,
already.
Mingwan, our B-hole is insane, Mingwan.
Yeah lah.
Seriously, is it?
Shafiq, so is our A-hole. Just
I
like
said the moment they go mid.
The moment they go in, then we lose the round.
Like, they come in, I'm scared.
Adri, ask for one. Hey, call 1-3-1 this round. I think can.
No, because I keep missing. It's not.
Oh, 2-2-1.
Okay, can. Go. 2-1.
I smoke.
Oh yeah, sorry. I'm not sure smoke.
Yeah, good idea.
Bingo, now it's time to micromanage, not Ahmed.
One,
Amen,
one,
Amen.
Adri, go help. I can cover mid.
Wow, teamwork.
Oh! Leave also.
Flashing truck.
Oh my
Nice.
god.
Bomb B. Let's go.
Molly inside.
Let's go.
Hey, port.
Let's go!
Oh, that was a nice A-hole, yeah. Wow.
I don't do
Shafiq.
anything, but...
Come on, Shafiq, you have to push the narrative that our A-hole is good.
Yeah,
Shafiq, if you top frag, this will be your best game ever. As in, you win this game, sorry. If you win and top frag.
Only my best game ever.
Like, in terms of like teamwork and
Wait,
shit.
Shafiq, your level on kills with Captain Rodgers, eh?
You know what happened to your deep
Nothing.
B-smoke, Mingwan? Why now your B-smoke like shit?
No, I
don't know.
totally retook that like a champ. I
Yeah,
actually
like-
captain.
Like a pork chop.
Because if they rush out, I will die if I shoot
So
them.
my shots are them. Or I think they might push.
No, Adri, you have to hit them this round. You have to hit them. This round is the round to hit it. If you have to choose the round to hit it, it will be this round.
I need really help or not? I need help this holder. I can go window.
I have.
Eh?
Yeah.
Eh, was that your aiming?
Adri, should change angle.
That's my smoke.
Hey, one
Oh,
roof
okay.
with it.
That's a perfect smoke.
Nah, my shots are.
Is it Venge? They go Venge.
Yeah.
They're gonna go get.
Nice. Wait, I throw fire at B-main.
No, hey, one more fence.
One bench.
Nice, nice.
One bench.
Wait, nice. I can hear your
I
speaker.
hear someone hit the Molly,
Yeah,
Shafiq.
because I can't use
Yeah.
my in-game one.
Oh, so you play, you know, in-game audio.
Yeah, I'm listening through my speaker. Like whatever sound take through my speaker.
Yeah,
No wonder you bottom lah.
B-main, I pull him back. I mean,
Bottom.
Yeah, let him come out.
One still mid. The bomber still mid.
Ah, bomb
Be me lah.
He's still
Come on,
bench.
you're Kevin this.
Yeah, I think Venge connected still. Venge.
Yeah, I'm still staying at A.
Nice.
Wait, isn't that the
One was that
Harlem
round,
Shake?
Terrorita.
KE. You was only one.
Danish, it's all up to you now.
Yeah, coming.
Shafiq.
Nice. Last minute.
Hey, last aiming. Tag
Bomb
60,
drop.
tag 60. Easy.
Nice.
Okay, one more round, you'll win the game.
Shafiq, all about that communication.
Actually, run off. Oh, you got money.
No, I'm not offering. I cannot.
It's exactly a good shot. Hey, try this. Play close.
Yeah, I'm gonna play close.
Mingwan, I cannot smoke anyone. I think they will rush you.
No, that's smoke. Yeah, Molly better smoke.
I'm having advocating smoking, Danish, this guy.
Molly
I give you my tag tomorrow.
You gotta be out the spot, let's go.
All yours. Ready?
I'm flying.
Hug the wall. You have to hug the wall now.
Okay, I can't help.
Shafiq, I try hard, yeah. I bought
Hey,
flame
don't
round.
need, because I'm. Hey,
I bought incendiary this round.
Hey, he actually won the round for you. Let's go.
Actually, one more low.
You
Left
killed
side,
10k,
nice.
Oh, yes.
Actually, can't support you.
Go, just
I'm flashing aiming for you.
Last guy. Last two, go. Last two, go.
Don't throw this, please.
Okay. Hey, Mingwan, I see you rushing out. If you
Bring all yours, huh?
they're both holding the same angle just now.
Okay, now they go aim already.
I think they probably went to.
Mingan, this is your round to win, Mingan.
Unless they
Shaking.
waiting.
Oh shit, shaking.
No! Last guy!
let's do it. You can't choose already.
Hey, Ame, why you PS me? I 360 him.
No, no, I was just watching you.
Okay, hold on.
Who saw the 360?
I saw it. I can do this all day.
Fucking easy.
Hey, that guy left the game instantly at the 10k.
Oh, what a game! Oh my god.
Hey, fracture case, let's go. I don't know what
10-5 eh. 10-5.
Clutch case.
Hey, who got highest
Hey,
area?
fuck, forget record.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
MG.
Bro,
Okay.
no wonder everything's so fast.
Hey, they
in 5
5
minutes
minutes.
The first guy hacked it.
Yeah, that was an exciting match to watch.
That was a good rotation, so on point.
Wow, praise be to God, I was in the bottom.
Yeah, that's not because you see all
weren't
my beautiful offshots that hit.
No, I don't know why I raised bottom.
I was bottom, eh?
Yeah, you're bottom.
That's
Yeah.
why I
Hey,
think
wait,
I
I restart my
think
first.
like one. I think I only got one sniper kill. Sure.
Wait, oh, but I saw ADR, so you're bottom.
You
What
know,
must be about area?
Cause
I got more kills
ADR
and more assists.
shows my value of team.
oh,
Really,
what,
man? I thought area can be easily like skewed.
what the games, yeah.
No kills
What
can
a
be
game.
KS.
Back to watching.
Oh, I see. What's it? Eldridge is playing his own competitive. You wanna watch his game in progress?
Can we?
Yeah, no.